Hello, Luminosa. We are docked here in Ensenada, Mexico. We're gonna go get breakfast before we go outside, but people already line up to go outside right here. If you look at it, the tour bus is already waiting for people. And the last time we came here, a few months ago, we was on the other ship right there, Carnival Residency. I don't know how to pronounce. And the first time and the second time when we came here, we so excited. We booked the tour bus, we do activity. The third time when we came in that boat, we did not do that boat right there. We just walked around to the market, and we love the 7-Eleven. We are a big fan of 7-Eleven. And same thing today, we're not going to do anything. We're just gonna walk around. But look, with the walk there, Ensenada, Mexico. Can you guys see the walk down there? And these people waiting for the tour bus. But if you don't wait, you can just exit right there. And when down there, they also have like for you to take a picture with the Mexican old-fashioned traditional clothes. Okay, let's go breakfast. Here, where you can take picture with the traditional clothes. Right here, and here is where they're waiting for the bus, the tour bus. And over there, if you don't, right there, that's where you exit. If you don't need to wait for the tour bus. But the other side, that's the side that we came a few months ago. But we came from Long Beach. Today we came from San Francisco. Okay, let's go breakfast. Okay, we outside now. We buy outside, and it was tough to get out. This is how they tie the boat. You see the big line? That's how they tie the boat. Okay. Ooh, they have the other side. Nobody come out on the other side. But it's so crowded this side, which is crazy.
They told everybody to come out from here.
Yeah, that's why. Okay, please check in here. Exit. Follow the sign. We say somewhere up here, one of our rooms. Almost in the middle over there. Oh, this is the fun side. This is the side that I told you could take picture. They line up to take picture. Excursions. Exit. The price in here is not bad. People are lining up just to do that $4 round trip. Okay. We're not going to the bus, so we're gonna walk. We like to walk. Not really, we too tempted. We just don't want to pay. Show wish. This is our ships. This is the other ships. If you don't feel like walking, we're not an early bird. A lot of people already come out and we're just getting out. I mean, a lot of people came back, we're just getting out. Because they allow people to get out like at 9 a.m. I believe. See, the tide have to be really strong because the ship is too big. You see how the boat, like that, the knob is so big. And how many lines? 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3 on the other side. This is new, the tourist map. They didn't have that last time when we came from that boat. So this is where you exit. So there, we're gonna walk over there, over here. And then that building over there, the fire done building. That building is not a shopping mall. That's a museum. Museum, you see the monkey? The yellow thing right there, that's where they check your ID when you come back. They need your passport. They have direction. And then they have lots of like security guard, police around here. So to me, it's pretty safe out here because this is like tourist areas. Military and police all around here. We're gonna cross this bridge in a minute. But if you go deeper in Mexico with the tour bus, it's also safe. They only take you to the tourist areas. Okay, here's the bridge that I'm crossing. Over this side, I'm not sure it's a hotel or what is it. And then over this side, it's just the two Carnival ships. And we're in the farther side right there. This will take you to the fish market and to the restaurant, to the little gift shop. Water pretty clean. They keep it clean. Right here, another bridge for the car to cross. Some people walk all the way over there. People like to take pictures like this, but we took it last time. Maybe I took it again. So I'm here different time with different outfit. Can you guys read this? I'm not sure what to say. Look, they opened this up today because we came out late. This little circle right over here. And last time we took a picture over there. But check this out, this little market. We gotta exit there. We're not gonna go fish market this time. We just gotta exit here, right, babe? Fruta. The drink looks spicy. All the delicious stuff. Chicharro. They have hat, they have jewelry. They have taco. Later.
Carne asada and kangaroo tacos.
All right, thank you.
The best kangaroo tacos, amigo. Welcome.
Thank you. We come back later because we sell food from early.
Mexican kangaroo.
Thank you, gracias. They have sunglasses. They have t-shirts. They have lemonade. They have toys. What's darling? Oh, I think this stuff are cheaper in here than in the clothes. But of course I did not know I buy some from the clothes. When I was young, we bought lots of this stuff, and now I'm throwing them away. All the magnet. We came here last time, we already buy the magnet, so I don't want to buy again. We give it to our family member. Oh, wow, it's beautiful. Very beautiful. They have hat. They have all kind of goodies. They have this little fan. Okay, I'm gonna exit here to the outside because we want to go to 7-Eleven and Starbucks. Ready? Let's go. Follow everybody. You go left, I go left. You go right, I go right. They have those things for you to change. We just follow people. See people walk over there, we walk over there. And then the thing right here, I don't know how much that costs. The wagon.
Excuse me. You want that put in the carriage? You want right on the carriage? You put in the carriage?
Oh, good idea. Baby.
Taxi services, lawful.
They have lots of taxis. They have wave your hair. But I don't want to have time to do it. In here, they always selling a lot of things.
Make your name and a green right.
This shop is not open yet. They're still sleeping. Right now, it smells something. Oh, the ice cream is all good, but they're not open yet. We just follow them. Wherever they go, we go. Yeah, when I was younger, we buy a lot of this stuff. Here's a diamond. I don't know if it's a real diamond or not. People come here to eat. They say this food is very good. So it's crowded here. The line is long. I tasted the last time I came here. To be honest with you, it's just okay only. Everybody's tongue is different. Sometimes it's like super good to you, but not super good to me. And sometimes it's like super good to me, and it's not super good to you. So we're gonna keep going. We're gonna go deeper. Only on the top you guys see the bus. See, they don't take you far. So what's the point to pay this when I can just walk here for free? And then you get some exercise. Like I say, 7-Eleven, we love 7-Eleven. Like I said before, we love to, first time, second time, we book everything. Second time, third, fourth, no more booking.
That's for beautiful man.
Thank you. And then right here. My Starbucks is over there. We're gonna go 7-Eleven, then we're gonna go Starbucks. All the drinking and intimate thing is over there. All the way over there, where all the fun at. But I'm not going to walk all the way there. Over there is where they drink and party. This is 7-Eleven. It's nice to be in here, take off AC. When I told you that my friend come to Mexico just to buy cigarettes, and we're not joking, I'm not joking, see? How much cigarette he getting? Okay, we're buying this, and then we're gonna go to the next 7-Eleven to price a different one. Take out, they have restaurant up in the roof. And then when something on the bottom, you go on the top and drink and eat. The hotel is big. She's going to eat by herself. Jewelry. I say this hotel is big right here, Marina Royal Hotel. Here's 7-Eleven. I'm looking for you.
Amiga, welcome.
And here is lots of hotel, more hotel. They have strip club right here. Right there, strip club. You want to close? Some drink, if you guys like drink. Recognize anything that you guys drink before. It's like garlic, but to decoration of what? What is screaming about? Oh, he tried to sell. One way to do it, yeah, to scream all the customers. Come here, come here.
Pharmacy already open.
Oh man, open, seafood, Mexico. Hotel, pharmacy. We got cost. They have oyster ball. This is where I bought my silver stone. I'm wearing it today right here. This one right here. Here are the fun cloth bags. Right here. Really entertain from here. They have that train as well right here. And you go all the way to the back. Okay, we're gonna cross.
When you're ready, up to me, Renee. Right, Renee, free shot, right.
And this 7-Eleven again, looking for feedback. Oh, his stuff. I can't go in there, it's too loud. I told you police is everywhere. Very safe here. The other 7-Eleven. Ooh, the hot dog not as good as Costco. I ate hot dog at the ship. I take one bite and I couldn't finish. I don't waste food, but then when it's really, really not good, I will not eat. I'm going to Starbucks, so I have to cross, but there's another 7-Eleven down there. Oh, what is Mahamahami? Hello, darling. Oh my God. Something. I don't know what that means. Okay, I'm gonna go to my Starbucks. Oh, what happened? What happened? Are you okay, sir? Here's the plaza and here's the gas stations. How much gas? In peso, not in USD. One more 7-Eleven and we're gonna go straight to my Starbucks. I'm looking for Starbucks cup that say Mexico. That's what I want to buy. Oh, I don't know how this one costs. International. Oh, you could eat, or you can eat Korean barbecue here. $2.60 is the restaurant, Korean barbecue. Or you can eat, but no time to eat. We have to keep moving. To move. I'm going to Starbucks, yay. I'm looking for cup and I believe this is the one that I want. Let's see how much. I do not know the price. It's two different words. Mexico Starbucks. Really big. They have inside door, outside door. Okay, my other beauty oil is show you guys fishy. So I'm taking you guys back to the fish market again, so you guys could see the fishy. Oh, it smells so good in here. The cooking is really smells good. Smells like spicy. smell the freshness or the sauce that you can use for your taco. Even coconut is spicy too. The smell here, it smells fishy. Look at all those fish. All the lobster, oysters, all the fish, which that we can bring them. In here, he said they got everything. Everything so delicious. Look at all the shrimp in here. It's a good price too. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna cook for you if you take both. Shooting. He said, I cook today. If you buy, I cook. You buy, I cook. You cook, I buy. So that's a little bit where I want to show you that all the fish. They say it's so fresh, it's still alive. But then it's in the tank, so how fresh is that? Fresh is like the ocean, right? So we bought a lot of this stuff last time to give to family. I'm not gonna buy it this time because it's the same thing. Same thing over again. Okay, I'm gonna go back to my ship. This is the end. Where's the fish market? People over there taking boat. They booked the boat over there. So they're done, they're coming out. Some people just go in. They just take you around the bay or the sea or the ocean. Yeah, all this stuff you can book from the ship, from the crew. You can book all this stuff. Oh, you could see he is selling. The guy in the blue is selling. He said to go in there. And here's the price: $7 USD. And I do not know how far they're gonna take you. But look, it's very safety. They got light jacket, everything for everybody.
需唔需要咁講啊 ？OK，梗係唔會靚過我啦，信我啦。如果我試咧，
Oh, they speak Chinese, but then I thought they Mexican. I don't know how far they go for $7. So you have to scream loud, shout, get people attention, customer attention. Just like Asia. We ate at that restaurant last time. $50 for a little kid. What they do, where they go for this price?
¿Tienen barco para paseo?
Snack bowl.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh, if you want a fish for adult, $100 for a person. A kid, $50. And then when they get fish, what they gonna do? They're gonna cook it? They're gonna cook it right away for you to eat? If you don't think so, how you gonna do that when you in the, cruise? I don't know what I ate this morning, but my stomach is not doing good. All these people come from the ships, from the cruise. We spend a lot of money in here when we bring our little big kids. Now they're all finished college. They do not want to come with us. Oh, how cool is that?
The drink is 2 in 1. We have famous fish taco, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Check it out. Ladies,
Look up there.
wanna
They
drink?
have music.
it's 2 for 1. Come on.
Drink 2 for 1. I don't know what that means. Oh, $2. They have tea in it. Ooh, it's so hot that like I want to go back. We're going back, right? Or you want to sit somewhere? Oh, you can smoke before we go inside the crew. You can smoke when we get there. We can sit down. When we go inside, we can sit down outside. We don't have to necessarily go inside the crew.
Little hats. And they're sun protected.
The J plant, the pineapple lady. No, my stomach hurt over there. You want some mango, maybe? Is Mexico spicy? Cause like even the drink has spicy in it. Oh, they got monkey. Oh, monkey dog. I tried to show you guys the blood right here. I buy my bracelet in here. When I get to the school, I lost it. Look, they have dancing water over there. I call it dancing water. This boat right here, don't know what happened. Last time we was here, it's here. But this time we here, it's here. Maybe it need to be fixed. I don't know, it need to be fixed or what. Okay, we're back to Carnival property. So no alcohol, no gun, no nothing. Oh, okay, I said, why does it go in there? Because it's water shooting for the kids to play. Kids love it. What happened? So I'm back where I originally come from. Put it over there. This is only toy and jewelry, blankets. Stone. Stone for good luck and for riches and cold. My dad make go. They have lots of drink, but they don't have flute. Move on, go flute. How yellow is it? Looks so sweet. But we ordering the mango corn chili. Right here. This is $20 USD. In here it's not it's cheap, okay? It's expensive. Look like this. They put lamb pepper and let's try. This is the mango that we bought. It's sweet and sour, not too spicy. They put some lime juice. Thank you for watching from Ensenada, Mexico. Bye bye. From sea to Chinese sea, we are going back in. I'm tired. Tired from the hotness. Remember how much all we carry.